How to use two Telegram accounts in one phone. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can use two Telegram accounts in one phone on Telegram app. Now, if you open up the Telegram app, you'll get an interface like this if you are logged into one account already. Now you can see I've logged into my one account here. You can see my profile right here if you head into my profile. Now I just have a single account logged in. Now to log into another account, what you need to do is first tap on the three horizontal lines at the top left corner of the screen and then tap on add account option. Now here you can just log into another account through your phone number. Now I'll just log in here real quick. Here you can see I've typed in my number and here it will send me a text message or a login code right here, and once I get it I'll be able to log into my another account. Here you can see that I've logged into my another account and I've logged into multiple accounts here. Now to switch accounts, what you can do is simply head over to profile by tapping on the three horizontal lines and then tap on the other profile and you'll be able to switch profiles just this way simply. So this way you can use two Telegram accounts in one phone. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.